Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing, let me actually just get rid of these lines. I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. But the first dynamic here that occurred was that a very nice breakout of that technical resistance right there, the downtrending trend line, which again I talked about on Friday. And so much so that price broke out and went right to that secondary area of resistance. Unfortunately, it could not get the two breakouts in one day. Price leveled off essentially right at that red line and then rolled back over. So I'm not going to say that the entire trend line breakout has been broken, but I am going to get rid of that line there. It served its purpose. So that's the context, is that trend line broke, got rejected up here at 4150-ish. So 4150 definitely still going to be considered that key area of resistance. So we'll keep an eye on that. But really the question right now is, all right, well, is this breakout a total failure? And no, I would not say that breakout's a total failure. I mean, nothing can go straight up. And, consolidations are needed. But the level that I would definitely call a must hold as far as the breakout is concerned is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which right now is valued at, we'll call it $38.55. And that's very important because if the price were to come down here and break down below that level, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, from a very literal point of view, it would be putting the price basically right back to where it was before the breakout occurred. Now, does that mean that the entire chart is destroyed? Absolutely not. I'm talking about all this relative to the trend line breakout. So as of right now, the trend line breakout, yeah, it's consolidating. I would not say it's ruined or anything like that, but that's going to be an area where if the price all of a sudden breaks down below the 38.55-ish area, well, that's essentially put the price right back to where it was before the trend line break occurred. And that's just, that's not going to be a sign of any sort of genuine breakout. But I mean, if all of a sudden the price wants to go sideways, but build a higher low and then work its way back upwards, that's a much different situation. So as of now, the trend line breakout is underway. Not just a question of can the price stay above 38.55 with the hopes of getting back up there and breaking above 41.50. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.